I welcome you to Efua Ejumakon. Today I have a simple question that I want to pose to our followers. Recently, I have been posting content about this land which I bought some years back, but I have sold this land to a brother who is ready to build. Remember the surrounding issues I spoke about in the content I have posted earlier on? Yes. As soon as I bought this land, there was this man who never gave me peace. He broke my garden and caused a lot of confusions surrounding this particular land. After learning that I have sold this land to a brother of mine who is ready to build, this man is trying so hard to be employed as one of the construction workers. I don't know why he doesn't feel ashamed to be part of the people we are employing to work on the land. And so I want to pose this question to you. After all the problem this man has caused to me and leading me to sell this land off to a brother, do you think I should allow this man to be employed as one of the workers, as I will be the one supervising the whole work? I will be reading comments, and so if you think that this man who caused me a whole lot of problems, leading me to sell this land off to a brother, now wants to be employed as a construction worker on the same land which he never gave me peace about, kindly send your comments and I'll be reading. Thank you.
Mama me so you know say I've been falling for you, say wa me no masama papa ka tu trim say wa dia o chefie o say wa dia o chefie
oh yeah, freestyle session Ejumakon invasion,
turn on the beat so it's fire.
say rap beat, my style be free, it be crap. I know some words they steal my verse, they change the last words. These verse get password, the key word is referred as. You dey rap like me, you're still on head. Back to the matter, I feel like shatter. Me I create me I own silver platter. Now I refuse to be broke, I'm looking for mugies, ratatatata. Sometimes I dey rap, sometimes I dey sing. Anytime I dey rap, I feel like Obede. Every rapper they rap like me, he dey rap like me. Everybody they rap like if he dey rap like me. They listen to my vibe, they bite my vibe. Every rapper they rap like me. Everybody they rap like me, he dey rap like me. Every rapper they rap like me, he dey rap like me. They listen to my vibe, they bite my vibe. Every rapper they rap like me.
Music just turns me on.
Finger. Masarana pay. Me too many me who be Ada ye way. Uni me chaya. Naka me kwa. Dear me ye sweetie bucha me amba. Pia come from adi debi mo ukojota. Ama wa baby ye jani me de yaso. Time bra. Abo fredun so good na so you trenching. Say me cha mo bia be fa de odo me mpene. Oda pentu ye yidi e ma yensane. Time bra. Odo me njai me wonko. Ode me ne wo. Kana me njai me wonko. Ode me ne wo. Odo me njai me wonko. Ode me ne wo. Kana me njai me wonko. Ode me ne wo.
Odo sisi ahofeba, uni mi se me ne wo.